Hello, Ahaf Tribe. Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we're going to be making Ayamase sauce. This sauce is common to the people of the western part of Nigeria, I mean the Yorubas. It requires a mixture of green bell peppers, green atarudo, and green red chili. Using a food processor, you're going to roughly blend this into the size you desire. Cut your protein of choice into bite sizes. I use cow head, as well as goat meat for the seasoned and boiled my meat till it was perfectly cooked. Now I'm going to start by bleaching my palm oil. This palm oil here is a basic ingredient for making this ayamase sauce because you need to perfectly bleach it for that golden brown color that you need. I use a pot that has a vapor vent, so I'm going to be using a tissue paper to clog off that vent so that smoke vapor does not escape. During the process of bleaching your palm oil, you're expected to tightly close your pot throughout and some minutes after the process so that your pot do not catch fire or so that your fire alarm in your house does not blow up. Another important tip is this: after you've heated it for about 25 to 30 minutes, you can see how it is smoking. Do not open it during the process of heating, and even after you've heated it, please do not try to open your pot. Even after you've switched off the fire or the heat, kindly allow your pot to cool down for not less than 25 minutes. You can do it for between 15 to 25 minutes is okay, so that your house does not catch fire. So in another pot, I'm going to be boiling my eggs. Yes, we are more like prepping the things we need for this particular recipe. So I'm just using 4 eggs because these are jumbo sized eggs. So I boiled this till it was done. I removed this, and I'm also going to transfer back that bleached palm oil into the frying pan. I'm going to use it to fry my proteins. You can use any protein of choice. You can use chicken, but for this recipe, I use cow head and goat meat for this particular recipe. Fry your meat until it's golden brown. Bring back the pot you want to use. Transfer that bleached palm oil you use in frying your protein, because that's what we're going to use. This is the star ingredient, the iru or the locust beans. This gives it a very unique flavor. Bleached palm oil and iru are the two major star ingredients for this ayamase recipe. Without these two, there's no ayamase. Fried it with some onions until it was translucent and I could perceive the smell of the iru. These are the mixed peppers, green peppers that I processed. So I'm going to be transferring this into the hot oil. I'm going to allow it to settle, stir, combine gently until it begins to fry. Fry this for about 10 to 15 minutes until you see a resultant color change. You can see it's changing to brown. And then I added my meat stock. This is the stock I got from my meat. Seasoned it by adding salt as well as seasoning cube. I will also be adding some crayfish to this particular recipe and allow it to fry. At this point, the food is almost ready, so I throw in my boiled eggs. I made a mark using a fork on this egg so as to allow the ayamase sauce to penetrate the eggs. I'm going to allow this to cook for the next maybe 3 to 5 minutes so that the eggs can absorb the ayamase flavor. I pour in my fried protein. At this point, the soup is ready. So guys, if you are new here, kindly subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. Please like, comment, ask your questions in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your questions. So guys, until my next vlog, see you and thank you for watching. Bye.